It's official. The World Health Organization has declared coronavirus a pandemic. More cases are popping up every day. You know how to keep yourself germ-free though. You wash your hands for 20 seconds with hot soapy water and don't touch your face, right? But what about your phone, keyboard, or tablet? These everyday items may look clean, but they're hotspots for germs. Studies show they contain more than 25,000 bacteria per square inch. That's more than 25 times what's on a toilet seat. Disgusting! And coronavirus germs can live as long as 9 days on your phone's glass surface. In this Komando DIY, we'll show you the 4 best devices to kill germs on your most used piece of tech. Grab your phone, folks. It's time to disinfect. Let's start with the most affordable, the portable Solend UV phone sanitizer. For $70, you can get this smartphone sleeve that uses UV lights to sanitize and kill all the germs on your phone. It works for iPhone and Android models and doesn't use liquid, heat, or chemicals, so it's safe to sanitize anything that fits inside. That brings us to the most revolutionary, featured on Shark Tank, the Phone Soap Pro model. It'll zap away disgusting bacteria on phones, pacifiers, smartwatches, headphones, keys, you name it. It will even charge your device. Did we mention Shark Tank? But what if it's not fast enough for you? Well, HomeMedic's UV Clean Phone Sanitizer will destroy germs in just 30 seconds per side. The best part? You can collapse the device for easy transportation in your purse, suitcase, or gym bag. Finally, for the biggest germaphobes in your family who just want to nuke bacteria right out of existence, there's the Pure Light UVC Sanitizer Box. This medical-grade germ destroyer is about the size of a printer, but packs quite a punch. Now that COVID-19 has been declared a pandemic, it's time to take it seriously and follow guidelines set by health organizations. Using tech like UV phone sanitizers is a great way to help keep your devices as clean as possible. Oh, but don't forget to wash your hands. For more great coronavirus tips and tricks, just search coronavirus on Komando.com. Do your part to slow the spread of the coronavirus. And remember, if we work together, we can flatten the curve.